Alright, so today is our last day in Los Angeles, California, and I'm just waiting for Aurie to do her makeup because I got to shower first. But what a week of events. I mean, it's been like, I want to say 5 days, but who's really counting? I don't know. All I know is today is the last day. And tomorrow, we are going to spend the day driving to Vegas. And how long is the drive going to be? Anticipating probably around like 7 hours max. But
I don't know where you're getting 7, but I've also just never driven here because whenever
we do have to take stops and stuff.
We will?
Like, to pee. It's going to be like a long drive.
Because whenever I looked it up on the map, it said 3, but then whenever you take into traffic, you really think traffic's going to add 4 hours?
We don't really know until we do it. So,
Okay.
I'm anticipating no more than 7 hours. That's all I'm saying.
Okay.
No more. But today we're gonna go to Beverly Hills, but also we're going to Erewhon and also to see Rodeo Drive because I used to work there, and I would be like people like just out and about on like a freaking Tuesday, and like who are these people like out and about that have like time to go shopping like on a Tuesday in like the middle of the day, you know? But that's gonna be us. But we're not gonna be able to afford anything. We're gonna be like tourists, you know. But we're gonna go shopping first at this different mall that I really want to show her to because she needs to see more malls. I feel like she needs to get the like West Coast mall experience and like see the abundance of shops that we have.
Yeah, we've only like been to a couple stores and a couple malls. We haven't really spent a fuck ton of time like.
Even though we've gone shopping like every day, it still hasn't been enough for Aurie. So
I love shopping.
I feel like I've reached my own max of like shopping, like a shopping limit. I have so much clothes. Even Aurie was like, you have so much clothes. It's true, I have a lot of clothes. It's because I lived here and I could go shopping. But it's gonna be like 80 degrees today, so I'm trying to wear like a nice summery fit. I bought these shorts actually. I bought these shorts at Buffalo Exchange. I know, they're so cute. I've never had like shorts that fit me.
Yeah.
That are like just denim. And then I brought my blazer that I used to wear to work all the time. And what if I just so happened to like run into my coworkers? Ew, I would vomit like on the spot and like actually like vomit on their shoes and they'd have to go change. And they'd be like, who did that? I'd be like, oh, it was Claire. You know, she's back with vengeance. She's back with Beverly ever. I thought that's what you were saying.
Better than ever.
But we're gonna go check out erewhon today. That's gonna be an adventure. I've went in there like once and there were people like buying lunch. It was like the lunch crowd. And I was like, who can afford to go here every day for lunch? Yeah. And so many people were like cutting in front of me. There's like a small group of like, I guess, co-workers or something in front of me. And then like all of their friends started cutting in front of me with each other. Like, yeah. And all I wanted was like a little bit of lunch myself. I really hope I don't see anyone I recognize. One time my coworker saw James Marsden there.
Who's that?
Have you seen Jury Duty? And we have to like finish our food.
Yeah.
I had some of it earlier today. I'm gonna have some for dinner probably too, but we are gonna meet up with friends tonight at a Mexican restaurant, and I don't know how much I'm gonna eat there, so I'm gonna like try and get full beforehand. But we need to get Aurie her margarita. We have to.
Yeah,
she has to get her margarita.
There's like I feel like there's a difference between like Texas Mexican food versus like here.
But we're gonna have to like clean and stuff before we head out tomorrow. We gotta leave this place as we found it. And then we're gonna go to Vegas and then TwitchCon. And it's gonna be so much fun. And I hope my cosplay works out. I haven't even thought about that. I just realized how messed up my shoes are. Like, I've walked across New York twice in these, and like I've been wearing them because I know that I can walk around in them. Dang, you can really see the damage. I don't care if I go to Beverly Hills and some people are like, what is that? Did you really just get those from the Korean Amazon Cody book? Like, you paid only like $60 for your shoes. Well, shoes are everything, because I know that people really believe that like shoes are like everything. I don't know, I feel like we're gonna go to Beverly Hills and there's gonna be like just rich, like I knew this girl who like was from like Calabasas. She was like friends with my other friend who went to like rich kid private school, and like the thought of like thrifting just like disgusted her. Paying less for something simply because it was used just disgusted her. And she was like, you know where I shop at, to like her friend that I was friends with. She's like, you know that I could never thrift because you know where I shop. Like, she means Beverly Hills. So I don't know, I'm gonna walk into the store and then like they're gonna stop me. They're gonna be like, I know that you have dirt on your shoes, you cannot bring those in here before you step on our Burberry carpet. Just kidding, I do not want to step foot into those kinds of stores. I do, however, want to possibly see James Marsden. We are here at the Westfield Century City Mall, and we're gonna see if we can find some sugar daddies. There's gonna be a lot of people here that are like rich and stuff, and it smells like cigarettes.
It smells like a casino, which I like, but I would.
It smells like an old man,
Yeah,
right? With
like,
money
It smells like old
and dollar
people
bills
and cigarettes
and
powder.
cash, right?
It just smells like powder, like baby powder.
Like old man powder. They have like bath bombs. I have a lot of Lush bath bombs, but I don't have a bath, or I didn't ever have a bath. What's it called?
Breath of God.
Let me smell. Let's see what God's breath smells like. If it smells like an older man, like spicy older man, like Father Christmas type old man. I guess Santa Claus and God are like very similar. Jen. They have this place called the Container Store that I've never been. I've always wanted to go, and I've never had anyone to go with us. I don't want to go in there by myself. The Container Store. We await it on this escalator. What an experience to have. Let's go see what it's like. I'm in love with the unexpected. Did I ever expect to go into the Container Store? Not really. Ever. I never really thought I would, but will there be something here that can contain me? New and unexpected. Where does it say that? Oh. Uncontained? What does that mean? There's just like a bunch of like baskets and stuff here. And I'm actually thinking like this is actually like, this aisle looks identical to the one that we just saw, like all the way over there. It's very expected, honestly. Actually, maybe it was unexpected that I didn't expect to see the same thing again. I feel like I could get this stuff at like Home Goods or something for like $6. 30, come on. Like this is just plastic. They got trash containers over there. They got booty cheek containers here. They got pencil containers here. What's over here? Jewelry, more jewelry containers. If you're rich and you have so much jewelry. Are these from like a TV show or something?
I think they're like little signature little guys. Wow.
There's little wizards. It's the INFJ wizard. That is so cute. Get it. Get it. Get it. Okay. I love that there are people who make these because I really lucking fov you. That's so cool. I pick you every time. That's funny because there's a nose. That one's okay. Ew, feelings. Okay, I also resonate with this one. We make it. Oh, these are titties. Oh my god. These are awesome. Kiss whoever. We were just listening to like this Miley Cyrus song, and it's like we can kiss who we want to, and that just like is like the theme of the day. I feel like. I mean, I haven't kissed anyone, but like, I just love these. Oh my god, these are so cute. Charmander, Pikachu. Execute. Ari's vlogging right now, and I'm about to die of thirst and dehydration because my throat is so freaking dry. But we're going to Good American. I'm so thirsty though. Whoa. It's actually kind of cool. I just realized that, like, dude, this thing knows what you're getting in the dressing room. Like,
That's so cool. They literally detected. It's crazy.
there's a bar in here. We're about to hit up the erewhon, which is nowhere spelled backwards, and yeah, I'm gonna pay like $12 for a slice of vegan gluten-free cheesecake. So we got raw sugar-free strawberry pie. It's vegan and gluten-free. How much is it? $10.75. I was not joking. I wasn't joking.
How much?
$10.75.
I thought you said you were gonna pay $10.
I know. And this stuff is actually good. Coconut rice pudding. Raw gooey brownie. Okay, I think I want this. I want this. So Ari just spent $18 on a smoothie, and then I spent $28 on like 3 sweets. I also got this, the one that I was kind of making fun of. I'm gonna try this raw gooey brownie thing. Which probably means that it's never been baked. And then there's this like Butter Barn vegan matcha oatmeal cookies, and they're all vegan and gluten-free, organic, non-GMO. So I don't know which one should I try first. How's the smoothie though?
It's worth it, I fear.
You fear that it's worth it?
Yeah.
So would you come back?
Yeah.
Oh my god. What was it like advertising? Like skin, like smooth skin?
Yeah, it says that it has like hyaluronic acid and stuff in it.
Oh my god, it does?
Yeah. So I put hyaluronic acid on my skin.
This is okay.
Uh-oh.
I wouldn't know. I don't know if it's worth it.
How much did you pay for this?
$9.
9?
Mm-hmm.
I paid 9 for a whole thing. Like a.
Mm-hmm.
You wanna try this? The good part kind of went away. It's so good.
It's like raspberries. Actually, it's like something that I can make with Costco ingredients. I kind of like it. It's really tart. I would say tart.
I really like that.
Well, now that I've bought it though, I'll never have to like wonder about what it tastes like because
Yeah.
I'll never buy this again. Actually, I'll probably never ever want it again.
Yeah.
Vegan, gluten-free matcha oatmeal cookie. I like it.
It was good.
What would you give it? Everyone.
This? Well, the first chips were 11 out of 10, but now it's like it's mid. It's like a 5. You know what I mean?
All of what I got is kind of mid. So me and Ari are actually about to hit up Redondo Beach, and I'm wearing the same exact fit I wore yesterday. No judgment, please, because it's gonna be cold at the beach, and I don't have that many like warm clothes because this is Cali, but the beach is always windy. We're out here, at the pier. Ari's never seen the beach before. We got Brayden here.
Why did they build in the water?
It smells like fish here. Because it's a pier.
It kind of smells like the lake a little bit.
Yes, watch it and then be like, damn, I'm a badass.
I will. Thank you so much. Have a great night.
So we just watched this lady, she was so nice. She was like, "You're gorgeous" to Ari. It was like complimenting her makeup and stuff. She's like, girls need to be told that they're like beautiful more, and we agree. But she was mentioning how she saw like a really beautiful girl with like a group of like punk ass guys, and they were actually my friends.
Ask her if it was actually
Definitely Sophia and like our friends.